Now let's talk about broadcasting with Hootsuite. Juggling multiple social media accounts across several networks can get hectic, especially when there's a fine line between a manageable number of browser tabs and a terrible guessing game. Self-respecting social media addicts should test the many management tools available, and they will find Hootsuite to be among the best to streamline sharing for work and play. Users can conserve precious tab space by connecting their Twitter, Facebook, Google+ pages, LinkedIn, Foursquare, WordPress, and Mixi accounts under the Hootsuite umbrella and take advantage of the convenient scheduling feature. If you're looking to up your social media game, or just to make life a little easier at work or home, here's how to get started with Hootsuite. First, let's get organized. Once you set up an account and log in, Hootsuite will guide you through the basics of connecting networks and organizing streams. The green menu tab displays the networks connected to your Hootsuite account. From there, select the streams you'd like to monitor, such as your timeline, mentions, and scheduled tweets. The stream options vary for each network. For example, Facebook's options include newsfeed, statuses, events, and wall posts, but they're simple. Hootsuite is optimized for managing Twitter accounts, but you can also post to your personal Facebook and LinkedIn accounts, as well as to pages and groups of which you are a member or administrator. Hootsuite will not connect to personal Google+ profiles, but it allows you to manage your pages. For free accounts, Hootsuite initially limits each tab to only 3 streams, but opening multiple tabs seems to override that very rule. Even so, streams are so easily closed, reopened, and refreshed that the initial limit is only a minor annoyance. There are no rules against limiting one Twitter account to one tab. Take advantage of quick customization. Click on a tab's name to edit to open more streams. Group your timeline, send tweets, and schedule tweets under one tab, and then open a Connect tab with mentions and direct messages. Use the search option to create a stream for a specific hashtag or to get involved in a Twitter chat. Use the refresh button at the top right to stay updated. In addition to in-stream search, you can search for the latest happenings on Twitter with quick search at the top right of the web app window. The search box appears on top of the page and it will remain within your workspace, a smart feature when balancing several tabs and streams. This search box will also reveal what is currently trending worldwide. Now, posting to your networks. Hootsuite's message composing features follow suit with its simplicity. At the top of the page, you can create a new post to send to any one, two, or all of your connected accounts. If you decide to change or remove the accounts you wish to post to, click on the icon in the top box. Scheduling is Hootsuite's most social media manager-friendly tool, allowing you to plan ahead and keep your account actively engaged in just a few clicks. Scheduling can be found below the text field in the Compose box. Select the date and time of your choosing and click Schedule when the post is ready to go. Hootsuite is also equipped with another social media manager friend, a link shortener, right inside the Compose box. Paste the link in the box, click Shrink, and Hootsuite will place it at the end of the text in the Compose field. Free accounts will have links shortened to the default owl.ly, but Pro or Enterprise accounts can create customized shortened links, similar to Mashable's unique on.mash.to. Hootsuite's native link shortener will also track metrics on posted links. Access this data via the left sidebar's Analytics section, where you can create reports for specific accounts and observe engagement, clicks, and aggregate data. Free users can create only 2 reports, though the overview sections provide quality data, including keywords, clicks, and growth to determine what is working and what's not. Security with Hootsuite. Social media security is important not only for work or professional accounts, but also your private personal data, which can be dangerous if placed in the wrong hands. More social networks are stepping up their security game, such as Twitter's recent 2-step authentication, and Hootsuite is no different. Hootsuite enables login through Google, Yahoo, OpenID, Facebook, and Mixi to make your social account inaccessible to someone who cracked your password. To make your account more secure, find this option under Settings, Account Authentication by the left sidebar. Choose how you would best prefer to connect to Hootsuite, and the sites will guide the rest of the setup. Hootsuite can save time for all social media lovers, from community managers to power users to casual tweeters, so we recommend you not to ignore it.